Today we are going to install the new DRT Motorsports RZR Pro Series V2 front winch bumper. This bumper fits the 2022 Plus Polaris RZR Pro Series, all models. Install time is under 30 minutes. Can be installed by yourself, with a difficulty level of intermediate. You will need this list of tools to complete the installation. So, gather the tools, and let's install. Let's start by grabbing a body clip tool and removing these two push clips, as you see here. Next, using a T40 Torx bit, remove these 4 bolts around this bumper plate. Then, remove the plate, and set it aside. Now, remove these outer 4 bolts, using the same T40 Torx bit. Then, remove the plastics and set them aside. Next, with a 6-inch extension, and a 15mm socket, remove these 2 upper, and 2 lower bumper bolts. Then, remove these final 2 push clips on top and the bumper will fall free of the vehicle. Now, with a 10mm socket, remove these 2 factory bodywork brackets, and set them aside. Next, grab the winch plate/bulkhead, and set it up and into place, as you see here. Then, using the 4 factory 15mm bolts, install them back into the 2 upper, and 2 lower mounting locations. Now go back in, and tighten them down. Next, grab the front winch bumper, and set it up in place with the bulkhead. Align the 2 bottom mounting holes, and thread in the 2 supplied 6mm bolts. Now, align the 2 Fairlead plate holes and install the supplied DRT billet Fairlead, using the supplied hardware and tools that come with it. Tighten these 2 Allen bolts down, and then go back and tighten down the lower 6mm Allen bolts. That's it. Your bumper is installed. Congrats, that completes your DRT Pro Series V2 front winch bumper. This Pro Series V2.0 HD front winch bumper adds aggressive styling, protection, and provides a perfect location to mount a winch. The bumper is constructed from laser cut steel that is formed and welded to provide the ultimate protection to the front end of your Polaris Pro R, Turbo R, Pro S. The winch plate was built around the Warn Axon 55S Powersports 5,500 pounds winch, but almost any UTV winch will fit this bumper. This bumper provides a new recessed Fairlead mounting location and also comes with a steel block-off plate if you choose not to run a winch on your vehicle. Until we meet on your next DRT install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.